Let's discuss one example. See this problem. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Okay. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls for same kind for 1,300 rupees. Okay. Here, she buys 3 bats, 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Let bats denoted with X and balls I denoted with Y. Okay. So 3 bats, 3X and 6 balls plus 6Y, which is equal to how much? 3,900 rupees. Okay. Next, she buys another bat and 3 more balls. So 1 bat and 3 balls, 3Y, which is equal to how much amount? She buys 1,300 rupees. Okay. We get 2 equations. Here asking represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay. This is the algebraical representation. Next we have to represent geometrically. Okay. So we want some points. Take first equation, 3x plus 6y, which is equal to 3900. If I take x equal to 100, 3 into 100 plus 6y equal to 3900, 6y equal to 3 into 100, 300, 3,900 minus 300, which is equal to 3,600. Okay. Y equal to into 6 comes to this side by 6. We get 6 times 600. Y equal to 600. Next, if I take y equal to 100. Okay. 3x plus 6 into 100, which is equal to 3900. 3x equal to 6 into 100, 600. 3900 minus 600, which is equal to 3300. 3x equal to 3300. So x equal to into 3 comes to this side by 3, which is equal to 1100. Okay. Here x value 1100. Next, if I take x equal to 300, so we get y value 500. Okay. So write x and y values in tabular column. First point 100, 600. We get y equal to 600. 100, 600. Next 100, 1100. 100, 1100. 100, y value 1100. Okay. Next 300, x value 300, y value we get 500. Okay. We have 3 points. Next equation, x plus 3y equal to 1300. Okay. If I take x equal to 100, what is the value of y? 100 plus 3y equal to 1300. If I take x equal to 100, 3y equal to 1300 minus plus 100 comes to this side minus 100, which is equal to 1200. 3y equal to 1200, y equal to 1200 by 3. Okay, which is equal to 400. Okay. In same way, if I take y equal to 100, x plus 3y equal to 1300. Okay. So in this equation I put y value 100. Here we get x equal to 1000. Okay. In same way, if I take y equal to 300, x plus 3 into y equal to 300. Here y is 300. Okay. X equal to 1300 minus 3 3 is 9, 900. 1300 minus 900, which is equal to 400. We get 3 points. So write x and y values in table. X, y. First point, if I take x 100, we get y value 400. Next, x value 1000, y value here 100. Okay. Next, x value 400, y value 300. Okay. So let's plot the graph. Here draw x and y axis. Okay. Here on x axis scale is 1 unit equal to 100. Okay. On y axis scale is 1 unit equal to 100. Okay. So first point is, first table 100 comma 600. 100 and 600. This point is 100 comma 600. Next point 100 comma 1100. Sorry. See this point? Here we take y equal to 100. We get x value 1100. Okay. So y value 100, we get x value 1100. Okay. Y 100, x 1100. Okay. This point is 1100 comma 100. Next point 300 comma 100. Okay. 300 comma 500. 300. Next point 500. Okay. See these points, connect the points, we get straight line. So this line represent equation 1, 3x plus 6y, which is equal to 3900. Okay. So next point 100 comma 400. 100 400. Okay, this point is 100 comma 400. Next point 1000 comma 100. 1000, here 1000 comma 100. This point is 1000 comma 100. Next point 400 comma 300. 400 and 300. This point is 400 comma 300. Okay. See these points. Okay. Connect these points. See this graph. This graph represent equation 2. Equation 2 is nothing but x plus 3y equal to 1300. Okay. See this graph. These two lines are intersecting at single point. Okay. Here point is 1300 comma 0. Okay. Here y value 0. Y value 0 means, y means balls. So ball value is, ball cost is 0 rupees. So is it possible? No. So check, algebraically solve these two equations. 3x plus 6y equal to 3900. Next equation, x plus 3y equal to 1300. Okay. So solve these two equation into 3. So this is 3x 9y 1300 into 3 3900. Okay. So subtract these two equation, minus 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 0 0, which is minus 3y equal to 0, y equal to 0. So y is nothing but ball. Ball cost is 0. So ball cost never be 0. Okay. So y value put in equation 1, 3x plus 6 into 0, which is equal to 3900. Here 3x equal to 3900, x equal to 3900 by 3, x equal to 1300. Okay. So see this graph, we get same point 1300 comma 0. Here algebraically we get x value 1300, y value 0. Okay.